Ashes of an old campfire, a scrap of cloth caught on a briar. Could this be us, were we once here? When did we both disappear? I hear a voice among the trees, maybe just a nighttime breeze, or maybe it's the wild things roaming free, wild like you, wild like me, calling out to you and me. We must follow, can't you see? Come with me and forget the city on its false lights there. Steal your dreams there, steal your nights. Leave your troubles, your worldly goods, and run with me, oh, to the dark woods. Footprints in a hidden cave, mementos time chose to save, initials carved in the frost. How did we ever get so lost? Can't you see it's all so clear? No one else has ever been here, except for the wild things roaming free, wild like you, wild like me, calling out to you and me. We must follow, can't you see? Run with me and forget the city on its false lights there. Steal your dreams there, steal your nights. Leave your troubles, your worldly goods, and run with me, oh, to the dark woods. In the dark we have no fear. In the woods no one can hear, except for the wild things running free, wild like you, wild like me. Only the wild things here to see, wild like you, wild like me. And forget the city on its false lights there. Steal your dreams there, steal your